Hey guys, it's me Courtney and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing 3 looks using the new Natasha Denona Sunrise palette. So if you are interested in this look and the 2 other looks that I came up with, then please continue to watch. First things first, I'm using the color Citrine and buffing that above my crease, creating a light wash of color. Next, I'm going in with Carnelian and using soft circles to buff that color further into the crease. Then I'm taking Jasper and focusing that color on the outer edge of the eye, slightly on the lid, but mostly in the crease in the outer corner. In with Azalea, I'm going to use my finger to pat that color onto the center lid, blending it into the orange color we put down. Next, I'm using Laurel. Mainly this color is going on my inner lid where that empty space was, and I'm blending the shimmers into one another as well. I'm also blending that color upwards in my bridge, taking care to blend it with the yellow transition shades we put down. I'm also going to add a little extra to my inner corners and the inner lower lash line. Going back in with Azalea, I'm packing that on the middle of my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to take the shade Phlox and add that to my outer lower lash line, connecting it to the top lash line. I'm going back into Jasper and using a thin fluffy brush to blend all that out on the lower lash line. I'm also blowing that color out a bit more on the outer edge as well. Next, I'm taking a brown pencil liner and lining just my top lash line. Last, we're going to add our lashes, and that's look 1. For look 2, I'm going in with Morgan. I'm blending that into my crease, building that color up till I get a nice light pinky peach opacity. Now I'm using Dayspring and packing that on my lid with a flat brush. Then using the color Jasper, I'm going to deepen my outer lid space just a little bit. I'm going to take a flat liner brush into the shade Clove. I'm going to slowly stamp that color into my lash line, and I'm creating a wing liner look. Once the wing is done, I'm going to take my Dose of Colors liner in Flame and fill in my waterline. Then with the pencil brush, I'm going into Phlox and buffing that on my lower lash line. For a little highlight, I'm taking Agate, placing it on my inner corner and inner bottom lash line, blending it into the red color. Of course, we add lashes, and that's look 2. For the final look, I'm blending Carnelian into and above my crease, building that color up generously. I'm going to take the color Jasper and blend that color directly into my crease. I'm going back into Carnelian as well in order to blend out the edges of that orange color. Then I'm going into Clove and deepening that crease even further. This look is going to be pretty intense, so I'm going to build that color up as well. that, I'm going to cut my crease with concealer. This step isn't completely necessary, but for the sake of the steps that I took for the video, we're just going to continue. Next, I'm going in with citrine and patting that on top of the concealer, focusing it on the mid to inner lid. On the outer lid, I'm using Glory and blending that into the yellow we put down. I'm also adding it to my lower lash line and connecting it to my top lash line at a slight angle. I'm going to use the color Jasper to buff out the lower lash line as well. Now I'm going to take this Colourpop gel liner in the color Punch and add that to my waterline. After adding lashes, I'm using Agate to highlight my inner corner and brow bone. And that's look 3. Alright guys, that about does it for me. Hopefully this video was helpful, creative, and fun. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share the video if the mood suits you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.